you will get to know the top 5 US stocks with the highest performance each week. Which assets joined or left the top 5? What is the overall performance of the top 5? You are on the TROVEST channel. We have launched this special series, Top 5 US Stocks. Subscribe for weekly updates. In equally weighted investment portfolios, we often see the momentum effect, which causes the asset prices to follow an upward trend for a certain amount of time. The momentum effect means that positive returns will likely persist for some period of time. Could the top 5 US stocks contribute to this effect? Let's go to the top 5 US stocks. Bridgeford Foods Corp. Plus 49.14%. Comstock Holding Companies Incorporated. Plus 37.38%. CRIS Incorporated. Plus 32.39%. Norton LifeLock Incorporated. Plus 23.68%. American National Group Incorporated. Plus 23.28%. These were the returns for the top 5 US stocks this week. Did you like it? Leave a comment with your guesses to the top 5 for next week.